Hi and welcome to a FortiWeb video on implementing HTTP security headers to prevent potential injections. Let's start with a use case of how we can implement HTTP security headers. An online banking platform must safeguard users from common web security threats, such as clickjacking, MIME content sniffing, cross-site scripting, and injection attacks. To address this, the bank security team uses FortiWeb to add security headers to HTTP responses, ensuring secure content handling by the browser. FortiWeb can insert the security headers into HTTP responses to ensure secure content handling and prevent security risks. The following solutions are using X-frame options header, X-content type options, X-XSS-Protection, and content security policy. All header rules are configured under HTTP header security policies. Navigate to Web Protection, Advanced Protection, HTTP header security. Create a new HTTP header security policy. Enter a name, click OK, then click Create New, again to add a header rule. To configure an X-frame options header rule, enable URL filtering and select the request URL type. Different request URL types require different input values. In this case, use simple strings and specify the request URL. For secure header type, select X-frame options and set the header value to deny and click OK to continue. Next, navigate to Policy Web Protection Profile, edit the user-defined profile, and under Advanced Protection, set HTTP header security to the policy you just created. If you would like to configure header values as same origin or allow from, you can return to Web Protection, Advanced Protection, HTTP header security, edit the header security rule, and change the header value to same origin, then click OK. Alternatively, change this value to allow from, enter the allowed URI, and click OK to save the configuration. To configure the X-content type options header rule under your HTTP header security policy, set the secure header type to X-content type options and enter the header value. Click OK to continue. To configure the X-XSS-Protection rule under your HTTP header security policy, set the secure header type to select X-XSS-Protection. Set the protection mode as either sanitizing mode or blocking mode. Click OK to continue. To configure a content security policy rule under your HTTP header security policy, set the header type to Content Security Policy. Enter the header value. Click Validate, then click OK to continue. Now that the HTTP header security policies are configured, let's verify and test them. Apply the HTTP header security policy or policies containing the rules we just configured to the Web Protection Profile by navigating to Policy, Web Protection Profile, and selecting our user-defined profile. Scroll down to Advanced Protection, and for HTTP header security, select the policy we just configured. Open your Web Application Security Testing tool and run the test to ensure everything is working as expected. Repeat this step with multiple profiles and policies if needed. Thank you for watching.